let's go try the 92 Stanza. It sometimes has leaking fuel lines, so who knows if all the fuel leaked out. 2.4 liter 4-cylinder. Oh, nice, another ass-friendly seat. Comfy. Sun warm too. Alrighty. Woohoo! Can depend on these cars. She's a good one. Another one of my favorites. Nice redneck exhaust system too. No smoke. See, all these cars look like shit, but they're really not junk. That's why we just can't get rid of them. Oh, gotta love it. Well, you're next. Hasn't been running since November, early November. 3 liter, ready to go. It's a dual start. I can start it up there or in the conventional place.
That's what James did. In James chapter 5 verse 8, when he said,
Here we go. Battery issues.
it is the last one.
Here we go. Oh, not again. Fuck. Oh, it went off again. Okay. Perfect. Well, I guess it would be if it kept running. Yep, perfect. The gas pedal. Oh well, that's good enough for me. You got a religious sermon to go with this one too. Holy crap.